Hello YouTube, my name is Andrea and this is the first video on my channel. With my channel I wanted to share some of my hobbies. That includes gardening, houseplants, as well as cooking and lifestyle. I'm hoping that with my channel I can track my progress, encourage you to try something new, step outside your box, and also to have fun, make new friends, and share my journey. As I said, we live in Colorado. I'm in Zone B. I live in an apartment, so I only have a small patio to do my own personal growing. I do have some pots out here that we will be planting together, but I am lucky enough that my parents have a beautiful 16 by 32 garden that I can utilize. I have only been gardening for a couple years and I have definitely learned some things. We've made some mistakes, figured out what works best for us, figured out what we like to grow, and I wanted to share that with you and track our progress. Along with gardening, I have a little bit of a houseplant addiction. I have quite a few, probably 70 at this point in our small apartment. I have shared that addiction with my mom and she's started growing her collection. So I'll probably go into some of my houseplant care, showing some of my plants that I think are awesome that are doing well, and also some plants that might bring you joy in your life. I love growing indoors and outdoors, and when it's wintertime and I can't grow outdoors, I really like to turn my focus to my plants. Now, with the garden comes the abundance of the harvest. I just learned how to can last year. We did some salsas and green beans, and I'm hoping this year we can expand our canning practices and expand what we grow and harvest and preserve. So I hope you will enjoy that journey with me as well. I hope to see you following along in my journey. Please subscribe and like if you are ready for that 2023 garden. Bye friends. Cheers. Coffee, 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 coffee. Go to the camera.